Hey friends, I hope you've had a wonderful weekend here. So before the market opens up tomorrow, let's talk about Vinco Ventures. So the next 3 days here with Vinco Ventures is going to be pretty interesting. Starting tomorrow, obviously we're expecting the market to be trash because over this weekend we have had nothing but terrible news. We're talking about Finland trying to join NATO. Mr. Putin is upset about that, so it is bringing more fear into the market of what people are doing, what people are spending their money on. And this will probably be the telltale signs of what we see tomorrow going into the market. The Democrats are pacing and scrambling to try to get some form bill together so they do not lose their seats here in November. So what I'm trying to say is this market going into this week, we're not going to see much support here. So with saying that with Vinco Ventures, a lot of people are thinking this is going to like explode. A lot of people are thinking that this is going to be a minimal, like a mini explosion. And then maybe we're not going to see anything. I'm in the ballpark of where I think we're going to see a little mini explosion. So on Vinco Ventures website, this is straight from their mouth right here, what we're seeing. So May 18th, that is the set date of when you need to have Vinco Ventures bought and in your possession, share-wise. So you will be able to receive shares of the new Tyde company, their spin-off company here. And like I said before, just so you know, 10 shares of Vinco Ventures equals 1 share of Tyde. 1 share. That's some pretty easy math to see what you're wanting there. So looking at the chart here, I'm just going to look at a Google chart. Nothing crazy, nothing technical. One thing that we do know for certain is that Vinco Ventures loves good news. When Vinco Ventures has good news, it can have an easy 30-40% pop. Easy. We have seen that time and time again with Vinco Ventures. So going into tomorrow, especially Tuesday being the real big day here, I suspect, especially Wednesday, but Tuesday is when I expect volume to come in here pretty heavy. Tomorrow, I expect there to be somewhat better volume than normal, but Tuesday is really going to be the big day here, probably when we start to see volume come in. And then obviously Wednesday, that is the last day where you are able to make a decision with what you want to do here. Now, more than likely, there's one thing that is going to happen here with Vinco Ventures from Tuesday to Wednesday. We're going to see big volume. We're going to see bigger numbers with Vinco Ventures. What those numbers are, we don't know yet because we have not had any clues to what's going to happen here. As of late, we have not seen a whole lot happen here. Vinco Ventures is following the suit of the market with like most stocks right now we're seeing. It's not able to really take off and keep what it's grabbing here. It's holding this 250, 260 mark for a bid price. So more than likely Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be a lot of people buying to hold and then forgetting about it. Then there's going to be, with that volume of people buying and holding so they can get a piece of this Tyde share, there's going to be a lot of people in here buying and selling and trading. Obviously, a lot of trading is going to be going on. So that is good. Either way, this should be a pretty good week for Vinco Ventures. Now, I will say this, and this is where people are going to, write comments and be upset. More than likely, after this situation, Vinco Ventures is going to take a massive hit. I do think there's going to be a lot more attention on this new Tyde company, this share we're going to be distributed. So I would just say this, be careful how high you're buying Vinco Ventures because I would not trust the market right now. More than likely, the market is going to continue to get worse. And B, I think Monday is going to be your buying day. Tuesday, Wednesday is going to be an up and down, high volume. People are going to be making money. People are going to be losing money. So I think these are going to be the situations that we see here for the next 3 days. So after this week, May 10th will be the day where you are distributed your new shares for Tyde. As you can see right here, the share dividend is expected to be distributed to Vinco Ventures stockholders on or about May 27th. So they put that "or" in there. So we have definitely seen Vinco Ventures change their mind. So hopefully they don't, because there would be a lot of PO'd people. Following the separation, Vinco shareholders will also receive cash in lieu of any fractional shares of Tyde common stock that those shareholders after the 10.1 distribution ratio. No action is required by Vinco stockholders in order to receive the shares of Tyde common stock in the dividend distributed. So after this, these two companies will be separated and they will be two independent, publicly traded companies on the stock market. So this is pretty big news. This is a pretty big situation that we're seeing right now. Friends, I don't want to say anymore. Let's keep this simple, keep it light, and I wish everyone the best of luck this week. I really do mean that. I hope it's somewhat of a good week. Who knows, maybe something will come out this week that is good news. I don't know, but from the news we're seeing this weekend, it is probably going to be a pretty nasty week in the market. So friends, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in the future of yours. Friends, I will talk to you very soon. Bye everyone.